G.I. Joe will return in just a minute. Sit tight and don't touch that dial. Tune in every weekday afternoon to Transformers, the animated series. The Autobots are led by Optimus Prime. He will stop at no cost to bring order to the universe. His adversaries are the Decepticons, led by the maniacal Megatron. Fighting alongside him is his loyal minion, Soundwave. And his not-so-trusty sidekick, Starscream. Optimus Prime is not alone. He is joined by the Hyperturn Blur.
Decepticons in the gates, Decepticons in the lost, Decepticons. Keep them out the lost, they're still in the air.
Make sure you are there to see the Autobots battle the Decepticons. Only on KPLR, St. Louis, Channel 11.